I was gonna say, what's up everybody? And then you're gonna scream, what's up YouTube?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, what's up everybody?
What's up, YouTubes?
Welcome to another episode of the Jam Factory. This is somewhere between episode 12 and 15. We're not really sure. It'll be in the description, title, area. You'll be able to see what episode it is. We apologize for not having more episodes up lately. We've been extremely busy with spring getting here. We've got an episode for you today. It's got some cool stuff in it. We're going to talk about roll cage. S550 roll cage development is done. You can check that out. We've got, we're going to open the motor for the Jam Maker car. That motor came in from NPR, so you're going to be able to check that out. What else do we have?
Hellcats on the dyno.
Oh yeah, the Hellcat project you guys have seen us doing is going to be in next week's. We're getting ready to tune it this week. So you're not going to see it in this episode, but make sure to stay tuned for the next episode about that. We also baseline a GT350 and get everybody in betting on what it's going to make. So you get to see and kind of guess along with us and see what kind of horsepower it makes and see who is the biggest loser on that. So check out the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the channel. Make sure to pay attention to what's going on. And thanks for watching.
Goodbye, YouTube!
We just got a new delivery for the Jam Maker in. We're going to open it up and show you guys what it is. Hit those screws, buddy. That's the longest screwdriver bit I've ever seen.
I'm good at screwing.
Jeremy has a big screwdriver bit.
Giggity. It's Timmy's screwdriver bit.
Oh, it is.
It's a hand-me-down screwdriver bit.
That'll work.
Oh man.
Oh man, brand new Coyote motor.
Ben Stoner.
Empty box. All wrapped up. Look at that. Jeremy, pick this up out of here. Jack! Pick this motor up out of here.
Hey, look at that. Look at an oil cap.
Oh, we got this oil cap though. That oil cap. That's a lot more fancy than that one. Does this mean we have to send this fancy one back and use that crappy one? Nope. Put it on upside down. Let me get this thing out of here, don't we? We'll take the sides off of it and put it on a stand or something. Going on a stand. Well, that was a deep screw. Big old biggin?
Yeah, somebody got her in there good.
Oh man, I forgot to put my cams in.
I got so many.
Spare parts. Oh, I like how they put the plugs and everything. Plug everything up so we can't get anything in the holes, except for these. That's just cooling jacket stuff though. Yeah, so this will be our sleeve built motor now. We didn't have a sleeve motor before. We're gonna have one now so we can crank the boost up. Sweet. It's gonna be fun to tear apart the old motor to see how much damage was in there.
All the broken shit.
Yeah, bent rods and stuff.
Bent stuff.
Cool. What else we got going on? We got Jimmy over here doing another Stage 2 E85 flex fuel car. What do they call this color?
Avalanche gray.
Avalanche gray. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, and this car is getting one of our new S550 coolant tanks. It's got stainless works headers. Wrapped. You got those? This is not for this car. No, they're already on.
They're already on there.
Oh, nice. Cool. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of these. These cars make, what the last one make, Trevor? Like 530?
Pretty close to
Yeah,
530
on E85, and it's a flex fuel setup, so it'll make, I think it made like 495 on pump and then 530 on E85. It's a nice setup for somebody wanting to get a little bit more horsepower out of it without spending a ton of money. Guys that don't want to go turbos yet, we still have something for you too. So Jack has Steve's cage completely welded. We've got everything welded to the floor. We got all the plates welded in, all the gussets are welded in. I just want to go over some of the quick features that we did in Steve's car. This cage is what we consider like a fully optioned out cage package. So this particular cage has a seat back bar set up for stock style seats. As you can see, this seat back bar swoops back about 6 inches behind the main hoop to allow you to slide your seat back further, as well as tilt it back a little further. We've got some harness retention tubes there to keep the harnesses from sliding around. Once you have those mounted, since your factory seats aren't going to have like holes like Kirky's would or like a Recaro style seat would. So these will keep your harnesses from sliding around on you. And then we've also gusseted this bar to make it extra strong to our D bars here, as well as the whole cage has our gusset package kit, which you can see at the top and the main hoop here, and then up here on the forward bar in the front. The last step we're going to be doing to this is doing swing outs. This will be getting our double clevis swing out set up, and then we'll finish the window net out and then paint and interior back to get it all installed. We did have an addition to this as we were working. We decided to do a parachute on it. We added our parachute brace for the handle through the center of the car at the top here. Then we're going to be using our Motion Raceworks CO2 lever action parachute mount, and it's got the bumper bar and all that stuff set up. But this cage came out super nice. It's got our extra bracing in the front, goes down through the floorboard to the frame. Really happy with how this one came out. This one's going to be painted up and I'll interior back in. We'll get some good pictures for you guys up on the website. All right, we got another Shelby getting dropped off today, not for twin turbos. It's a stage 2 flex fuel car, but it's also getting a Motec and a whole bunch of BMR and Ford Performance suspension goodies. So we're gonna pop this trailer open and show you guys what we got. All right, so you guys just saw us unload Jason's 350R here. This is going to be a flex fuel stage 2 Motec, a bunch of suspension goodies. He road races the car. We're going to do a baseline on it. It's starting to become a tradition around the shop to bet on what the car is going to baseline at. We did the car you saw earlier, Aaron's car, the I can never remember the name of that color. What is it again? Avalanche Gray, yeah. That car, we all bet on that. The loser had to buy the next round of drinks next time we're out of town. This time we're going to wager the next round of Starbucks coffees or lunch, whichever the loser wants to buy. So the way it's going to work is we're all going to put our guesses on a piece of paper. We're going to put it in our handy dandy bet box here, and then we're going to do 3 power pulls. The best power pull is going to be the pull we're going to reference from, and the person the furthest away loses, and they have to buy the next round of coffee and or lunch, whichever one they want to buy. So the car has what, you would say 5,000 miles?
Right at 5. Yeah.
Okay, 5,000 miles. It's been road raced, rode hard, put up wet. We think it's broken in well. It's an R, so it has carbon fiber wheels, so that may make a difference. It also has a resonator delete, but as far as we know, it's basically stock resonator delete only. So did you not know about that, Trevor?
I
see the
didn't.
look on his face.
That one's resonator delete too, so I'm gonna check.
Oh, was it? Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know that. All right, so we're gonna put all our guesses in, and then we're gonna do some power pulls. So everybody write your numbers down. Put your guesses in there. You haven't wrote it down yet?
No.
Okay.
I tried to tell you.
Who needs a piece of paper? Jimmy, you need one? Timmy, you need one? You got one back there?
I lied. I went to the half, by the way.
We're only doing horsepower, right?
Yeah, it's only horsepower. We're not getting that technical.
All right.
Now fold it in half and stick it in the box there. All right, I'm gonna go with
Oh, I didn't put my initials on it, but I have better handwriting.
Oh, you just got a sneaky peek at it, didn't you? Don't tell nobody.
Oh, you gotta put your name on it. You didn't put
I
your
didn't
name?
put my name on it, but my handwriting's better than yours, so it's fine.
Yeah, you can usually recognize your handwriting.
I didn't have my name on that either.
You got that cap.
I do.
All right, everybody's got their guesses in.
Yeah.
All right, somebody get the fans. I'll do the pulls.
I'm moving the box.
See what it does. All right, so we just finished the baselines on it. The car was actually a little lower than we expected. The best pull was 461.87 horsepower. We're gonna go through the guesses here and find out who the biggest loser is. All right, let's see. All right, there's no name on this, but we know this is Randy's because she said she did 457, which was actually a pretty good guess after all. We've got, is that you, Timmy? Okay, we got 472, Tim Holt. We got me at 472.5. Currently, I'm the biggest loser. Oh, dang. John Lucas had 473.5.
Not even that. I'm retarded.
Oh, so you...
I'm off by so much, not even funny.
Hey, we're talking about torque.
373.5 was Johnny's guess.
Torque is right on.
That's 2 days in a row.
We got 467.5. Is that you?
Yeah, that's
okay.
mine.
And then
Man.
And Johnny's
looks like Jimmy was 472.
Well, even if I filled it out right, I still would have lost. So
There's the winning ticket right there, or losing ticket, you should say. 373.5. I didn't even look at the 3 because I assumed it was a 4.
obvious, right.
All right, well,
Oh, boy.
I thought I was the biggest loser, but I guess I got out of that one. Sweet. That's great.
That was fantastic.
All right, guys, we're here with Steve's car. The roll cage is all buttoned up. We've got certification done on it, paint's done on it. A lot of the interior's back in. We just finished out the window net. The window net has been a bit of a kind of a sore spot for me with swing outs. The rules, you have to have the window net inside the cage, and it also has to be permanently attached to the bar, or the lower part of the net has to be permanently attached to the car somehow. So you can't have this part completely removable. So this is what we've ended up with on this car, is we have a slip-on mount here. It bolts on here, so this is attached, but you can still remove it if you need to replace your window net. And then here at the top, we've used this pretty trick little lever here from Tim McAmus, and this is a nice little piece here. It has a little spring-loaded latch, so you just pull that like that, and your window net pops out, and you just pull it off to get down, and then it's going to stay attached to the swing out. So when you're getting out of the car, the window net just stays on there, and you just put the swing out back in. Constantly trying to adapt to make everything work for these street car guys. This car's also got the factory seat back bar setup that we offer, so it goes back further to allow the thicker factory seat to go in. We've got some harness bar retention tubes there to keep the harnesses from sliding around on you. We also gusset that bar in. You can see this car also has, if you look at the roof there, it's got our parachute bar mount there, or parachute lever mount, the tube that runs from the front to the back. And that came out really nice there. Jack did a good job of fitting that up to close to the ceiling to keep that out of the way, and also has a little strength too. So we're real happy with how this one came out. We are currently building the same exact setup for Tom's 1200R Shelby car. It's also going to have a parachute edition, full cage with swing outs, just like Steve's car does. And Jack's over there working on that now, so we'll have some updates on that car pretty soon too. All right, one last thing for Jam Factory this week. We got a surprise in for our man Joe from the Wanna Go Fast event. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's two of them. Is it the same? Did you get the same one twice? It's in this two.
No, it's 2 different dates. 13th and the 14th.
Oh, we get one for each day. Sick, then we can keep one and Joe can get one. Nice. Congratulations to Joe for being the fastest GT350 in the half mile, and also winning the man pedal class at the Ocala Wanna Go Fast event. Good job, Joe. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you guys taking the time to check out what's going on at the shop. Please comment at the bottom. Put down your 2 cents, throw up whatever you want. We'll get a conversation going. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye, YouTube!